Stop letting your phone's default Notes app steal your time. If you spend even 1 minute searching for a crucial detail, your system is failing you. The fix isn't another complicated app, it's the power already hidden inside Google Keep. This is about working smarter, not harder. Let's make your phone finally work for your brain. Simply open Google Keep website on your browser. This is a desktop version on which we are working. Now, I am showing you these are some of the options that we have in our note. If we click on background, you can see we have multiple color options. You can also use backgrounds like this, and this one. Now we will write the content of our note, that is, this is my first note in Google Keep. Now I will use this formatting option and format the text written inside notes. So let me just select this Google Keep Notes app and I am going to make it bold by clicking on this bold icon. As you can see, this is now bold. I am selecting this first new and clicking on italic. I am going to select an image from the file manager. As you can see, this is an image that we have selected and now our note is looking pretty good. This is a thumbnail basically. Next is we can pin our note. So you can see this icon over here. By clicking on it, you can simply pin the comment. It basically pin the prioritized comment. Now we are going to see how we can archive our note. So in order to archive, we can click on archive and archive the note. Now in this option you can see this is our archived note. If you don't want to archive it, just click on unarchive and it will be come back on your main screen of Google Keep. Now I will show you how you can view your notes in grid as well as list format. Here on this icon, if you click on this icon, you can view your notes as a list or grid. I will create more notes for you to to illustrate you how you can view these multiple notes in the grid. Next is the dark mode and the white mode. If you are working at night or a day, then you need to switch light or dark mode so that it will better for your eyes. Here is the dark mode and here is the light mode. You can use it for your convenience. It provides both sync as well as drag and drop functionality, meaning you can drag and drop any note whenever you want on the screen. I'm illustrating you how it will be done. This will help you to organize your notes